Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add and organize pages in Weebly. Whether you're building a new website or restructuring an existing one, knowing how to manage your pages efficiently will help you create a better user experience and keep your site navigation clean and logical. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log into your Weebly account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your homepage where you can see an overview of your account. Look at the left side menu and locate the option labeled Website. Click on it, and directly underneath, you'll see Edit Site. Click on that to proceed to the next step. Now you'll be presented with a list of websites if you have multiple sites under your account. Choose the website you want to edit by clicking on it. Once selected, look toward the right side of the screen where you'll find an Edit button. Click this button to enter the editor page of your website, which is where all the magic happens. Once you're on the editor page, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Here you'll see an option labeled Pages. Click on Pages, and this will display all the current pages that exist on your website. This is your control center for managing your site's structure and navigation. To add a new page in Weebly, simply click the plus icon. This action will open a menu where you can choose what kind of page you want to add, whether it's a standard page, blog page, or something else entirely. Select the type that fits your needs, and you'll be taken to the next screen where you can name your new page. Take your time here because the name will often appear in your site's navigation menu. After naming your page, you'll notice several settings you can adjust to customize how this page behaves and appears. You can change the header type, control the page's visibility, which determines whether visitors can see it or if it's hidden, and you can also configure SEO settings to help with search engine optimization. These settings give you full control over how each page functions within your website. Now, organizing pages in Weebly is incredibly straightforward. You don't need any complicated tools or technical knowledge. Simply click and drag any page to wherever you want it to be placed in your site's structure. This drag and drop functionality makes it easy to rearrange your navigation menu, group related pages together, or prioritize certain pages over others. Just drag, drop, and your site structure updates instantly, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to add and organize pages in Weebly, giving you complete control over your website's structure and navigation. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.